Convert Selected allows you to convert multiple designs to multiple formats with just a few clicks. To use it, open the Design Library by clicking either the Design Library tab or the Manage Designs toolbox, and notice that it is grayed out. That's because we don't have a selection. So I'll just select a few designs here, and I'll click Convert Selected Designs. You need to tell Hatch where you want these designs to be saved to. Right now, mine is set to My Embroidery, My Machine Files. This is the default location, but you can change this to anywhere. It could be a stick, it could be somewhere else on your hard drive. Then you need to tell it what formats you want to convert to. You just come down here and check as many as you want, and I'll just do Jeff, Bernita EXP, and PES, and I'll click Convert. And that's just how fast it is. I will warn you that it does not check to see if these designs already exist. It will overwrite any of these designs that have the same name and the same format. I don't consider that to be a problem because my master file is the EMB format, and my machine files, which we just made, are ones that I'm going to sew on my machine, and so I kind of consider them temporary. Now, if the design cannot be converted, maybe it's too large, an error message will be displayed for that file in that format. And that's just how easy it is to use.